Hello everyone, it's me again, Mr. Isolator, with your drama class workout, where you get to move your body, where you get to use your imagination, and where you get to have lots and lots of fun! Yes! Now, our drama class workout today theme is, drum roll, how to create your very own superhero. Yes! Today's session is about you creating your very own superhero. Now, before we start off our classes, what do we need to do? You're correct, a warm-up. So let's start off with a superhero warm-up. Now, you might remember this game. It's Venga, Venga. It's the opposite game. So if I go Venga, Venga, you say hula, hula. So if I go Venga, Venga, you say hula, hula. Very good. And if I go hula, hula, what do you think you say? Venga, Venga. Well done. Now if I go high, you say low. So if I say high, you say low. Very good. And if I go low, you say high. Well done. Now let's add in the superheroes. Let's see if you remember. If I go Superman like this, you say dun 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 dun. So if I say Superman, you say dun 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 dun. Very good. And if I go dun 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 dun, you say Superman. Well done. And if I go Wonder Woman, you go ka-ching. So if I say Wonder Woman, you say ka-ching. And if I go ka-ching, you say Wonder Woman. You guys are amazing. Now, can you remember this one? If I go Hulk like this, you say Arr. So if I go Hulk, you go Arr. Very good. So let's try that. Hulk. Arr. And if I go Arr, you say Hulk. Very good. Okay. Let's go through them. Okay, so if I go high, you go low. If I go Venga, Venga, you say hula, hula. And if I go hula, hula, you say Venga, Venga. If I go Superman, you go dun, 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 dun. And if I go dun, 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 you say Superman. If I go Wonder Woman, you go ka-ching. And if I go ka-ching, you say Wonder Woman. And if I go Hulk, you say And if I go you say Hulk. Okay, everyone understand? Brilliant. All right, find some space if you can. Amazing. All right, so let's try it out. So, high, low, low, high, very good. Venga, Venga, hula, 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 Venga, Venga, Superman, dun, 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 Superman, very good, very good. Wonder Woman, ka-ching, Wonder Woman, ka-ching, ka-ching, Wonder Woman, ka-ching, Wonder Woman, Hulk, Hulk, Hulk. Well done. Give yourself a round of applause. You guys are amazing. Do you think you could do that faster? Okay, let's try it faster now. You ready? 1, 2, 3. High, low, low, high, Venga, Venga, hula, 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 Venga, Venga. Very good. Superman, dun 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 dun, Superman, dun 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 dun, Superman. Dun, 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 Superman, dun, 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 Superman, Hulk, 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 very good, very good, very good, Hulk, very good, Wonder Woman, ka-ching, Wonder Woman, ka-ching, Wonder Woman, ka-ching, well done, give yourself a round of applause. Whoa, oh, are you feeling warm? I know I am. Whoa. Wow, very good, shake it off, brilliant. Amazing, great work, well done, well done. Now what I would like you to do is to show me your hand. And then look in your hand, because inside your hand now is a magic bean. Yes, you can remember this one, we've done this one before. And then what I would like you to do is to take the magic bean. And then what I want you to do is to close it, and then shake it high, and then shake it low. And then put it in the other hand. And then shake it high, and then shake it low. And then what I would like you to do is to place the magic bean in your mouth. Will it chew really big? Will it chew really small? I chew really big. Oh, or anything really small. Now, what I would like you to do is to think about what your superhero's favourite food would be. So not what your favourite food would be, what your superhero you're creating today favourite food would be. So, my favourite food is pineapples, but for my superhero, I feel they would love spaghetti bolognese. Spaghetti bolognese would be my superhero's favourite. What would your superhero's favourite food be? I wonder. Very good, very good. But then it starts to change. And then it becomes, the worst food your superheroes would like. Something your superhero dislikes. The worst food in the world for your superhero. Mine would be, what would mine be? Parsnips. Parsnips would be the worst. Parsnips. What would yours be? And then spit out. And then throw it on the floor. And then you remember, you need to pick it up. Just can't litter. And then place it in the bin. Very good, and give yourself a round of applause. Well done. Let's think about your superhero's powers. Now I would like you to think about what would your superhero's weakness be? Maybe it could be spiders. Let's all pretend to be spiders. I move around with spiders. I'm a scary spider. Or maybe it could be Brussels sprouts. No, you gave me Brussels sprouts. No, that is my weakness. Disgusting Brussels sprouts. Or it could be water, like the Wicked Witch from The Wizard of Oz. So let's pretend to throw water on the Wicked Witch. And let's go down in a dramatic way, like the Wicked Witch. No, I'm melting. No, not water. I'm melting. Yes, have a little think. What could your weakness be? Could it be spiders? Let's all pretend to be spiders again. Move around the spiders. Very good. Could it be Brussels sprouts? And we're gonna go down in a very dramatic way, eating the Brussels sprouts. No, Brussels sprouts. No, why? Why would you give me that? Or would it be water, like the Wicked Witch? So let's all pretend to throw water again. Whoosh, and go down. Yeah, I'm melting. Oh, help me, please. Yes, have a little think about what would your superhero's weakness be. Well done. Brilliant. And shake it off. Great work. Now, it's very important that superheroes are ready. Okay, they have to be ready and alert to save the world. So what I would like us to do is to count up to 10. That's what we're going to do. We're going to count up to 10 and then count back down 10 to 1. Okay, so let's try that. We're going to start 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then counting down again. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very good. How was that? Brilliant. Now I'm going to make it a bit more difficult. I'm going to make it a bit harder for you. Okay? So now instead of saying number 1, we're just going to do a clap. Okay, so number 1 is gone. So it's going to go clap, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, clap. Very good. Should we try that? So let's start. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Very good. How was that for you? All right, brilliant. Okay, now let's make it a bit more harder. Okay, now there's no number 5. Number 5 is a nod. Okay, so number 5 is a nod. So go clap, 2, 3, 4, nod. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, nod. 4, 3, 2. Okay, ready? Let's start. Oh, I almost said one there. I almost caught myself out then. I hope no one else caught themselves out like I did. Oh, was it caught then? Okay, all right. 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 4, 3, 2. Yes! I just about got there. Okay, all right, I'm gonna take out one more number. Let's take out, I'm gonna make it a bit difficult. I'm gonna take out number 10. So number 10 is going to be bananas. So there's no number 10 anymore. You're gonna shout the word bananas, okay? So let's try it out. So it will go 1, so 1's a clap, 5 is a nod, and then 10, we shout bananas, okay? Brilliant. So let's try it out. 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. Bananas. Bananas. 9, 8, 7, 6, 4, 3, 2. Did you see that? Let me say bananas and bananas twice. I hope you got that. You should try it all the time. Let's try. So, all right. So, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. Bananas. Bananas. 9, 8, 7, 6, 4, 3, 2. Yes! Well done. Well done. We did it. We did it. Very good. Give yourself a round of applause. Brilliant. Great work. Great work. Well done. Now, it's very important that superheroes have a setting, a location, a place where either they live or a place they're going to save. Now, for Aquaman, it was the ocean, the sea. He lived in the sea and he saved the sea. It was very important to him. That was his place. For Superman, it was space. He came from space, so he was from a different kind of planet. So it was space. So thinking about that. For who else we think of? Tarzan. Oh, Tarzan. His place was the jungle. His place was the jungle. So let's recreate these places right now. So when I say Aquaman or the ocean, I want us all to pretend to be swimming in the ocean. Splish, splash, sounds of the ocean, splish, splash, moving around. Brilliant. If I say Tarzan, I want us all to be swinging in the jungle like Tarzan does. So swinging from vine to vine. Whoa! Catching that. Catching the vines. Brilliant. Vine to vine. If I say Superman in space, I want us all to walk in space. Really, really slowly. And then back again slowly. Okay, brilliant, brilliant. So let's try it out. Aquaman. So the sea, very good. So splish, splish, splash. Go into the sea. Tarzan in the jungle, vine to vine. Swing, 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 swing. Superman in space. Walking slowly in space. Running backwards. Very good. Shake yourself off. Brilliant, brilliant. Yes, have a little think about where would your superhero live? Or maybe what place would your superhero save? Very good. Give yourself a round of applause. Brilliant. Great work, great work. Now, I want you to think about what would your superhero's belief be? What would their cause be? Why are they becoming superheroes? Who or what are they looking to save or fighting for? Maybe it could be the environment. So it might be they want to save the environment, so they want everyone to pick up litter. So that's so important to them. So let's all pretend to pick up litter. Very good. Very good, very good. And then placing it in the bin. Picking up all the litter. And then placing it in the bin. Brilliant. Maybe it could be not having so many cars in the world. So making people ride their bikes. Their thing is to get rid of pollution. So they say no more cars, so let's all pretend to ride our bikes. Riding our bikes instead of driving our cars. Riding our bikes instead of driving our cars. Brilliant, brilliant. Or walking. Let's all pretend to walk. Brilliant, brilliant. Perfect, perfect, great, great, great. Another one could be maybe planting trees. Because we know that a lot of trees are being cut down. So maybe we want to save the trees. So we could plant some trees. Let's all pretend to plant some trees. Get your seeds, water it, and then with our hands, let's make it grow. So maybe your belief could be saving the trees and you want to plant some more. Brilliant, brilliant, perfect, perfect. Or it could literally be making people happy, making people smile. Your belief is to make everyone feel a bit more happy within themselves or happy in general. So maybe just pulling silly faces. So you see someone's a bit upset, you might want to make someone feel a bit more happy by putting a silly face. Or let's all pull silly faces. Very good, very good, very good. Yes, have a little think about what would your superhero's belief be? Would it be saving the environment like we did before? Would it be picking up litter? Would it be planting a tree or a plant? Would it be would it be driving or no driving your cars and cycling places? Would it be these things? Would it be making people smile by pulling silly faces? Okay, have a little think about what would your superhero belief be? Brilliant. And shake it off, shake it off, shake it off, shake it off, shake it off. Amazing, amazing. Now, after your superhero has saved the day, they've maybe saved all the trees, they've maybe got rid of pollution so there's no more cars in the world. What do they do to relax? What do they do to relax? Do they have a hot bath? So let's all pretend to have a hot bath. Maybe do they listen to music? Ooh, and start doing some movements and dance to the music to relax. Ooh. Or let's all pretend to do some movements. Amazing. Do they go for a long walk? Let's all go for a long walk. Walk outside. Or do they go for a bike ride? Or do they just read a book? Ooh, interesting. Let's all pretend to read a book. Maybe. Think about what your character or your superhero would do to relax. What would they do after they save the day? They just want to come home, or maybe not come home. They just want to relax. What do they do? Do they read a book like we did before? Do they dance to music? Do they go for a long walk or go for a bike ride? Have a little think about what your superhero does for some downtime when they're not saving the world, just to relax. What they do. Brilliant. Perfect. Amazing, amazing. And shake it off, shake it off, shake it off. Now what I'd like us to do is to do our calm down breathing exercise. So can everyone show me their hand? Brilliant. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go around our hands. Very good. So breathing in when we go around, and then breathing out when we go down. Okay, so I'm going to start breathing in, and then breathe out when we go down, and then breathing in, and then breathing out when we go down, and then breathing in, and then breathing out when we go down, and then breathing in, and then breathing out when we go down, and then breathing in, and then breathing out when we go down. Very good. Great work, superheroes. You have passed drama class, and I can't wait to see you again. Take care and keep safe. Bye from Mr. Isolator.